Hello friends, this is Ranit over here. So today I'll show you the sixth experiment of the Unix, which is the first part of which is creating a banking system. So I'll explain you the code over here and then I'll show you the operations that I'm performing. So this is a while loop. Next, I need to repeat these operations every time. That's why I'm putting it in a while loop. So I want the banking operation to deposit, withdraw, to check the balance, and in order to create a new account. So first I'll enter the choice over here. The choice is being read over here. So suppose it is a new means it is if I create a new account. So I'm explaining the function over here first. So I'll enter my name, then I'm reading the name. So it will print that yes, your name is you are this name and the new account has been created. So you can check the balance now. So next is the deposit function, which refers to the first choice. So enter the amount to be deposited, then I'm reading the amount. Now it is since it is an expression, so I'm entering the amount and I'm adding it by 1000. So deposited successfully since the initial amount in my account is 1000. Now to perform the withdraw operation, I'll enter the amount to be withdrawn and the amount must be greater than the amount which I have in my account. So that's why I'm checking for this condition, and the amount must never go negative. So if this is the condition I'm printing that cannot withdraw, and you can withdraw at most rupees, this will denote the amount we have in our balance. So or else I'll just subtract the amount and write the withdrawn unsuccessful. So this shows that if this condition is not taking place, that means the user has sufficient balance in his account to withdraw the money. So if you can withdraw the money, so this is the case which runs over here, and I'll finish. Now to display the balance, I'm simply running the display function over here, the balance function, which shows my balance. So I have made the switch case over here with the all four conditions. So next I'll simply show the output. So suppose I create a new account first. My name is Ranit. So hi Ranit, you are Ranit, your new account has been created. So check balance. So first I'll check balance. My current balance is 0. Now I want to deposit. Suppose I want to deposit 5000 rupees. So deposited successfully. Next I'll check my balance once again. Now since I already had 1000 in my account, so it is showing 6000 over here. Suppose I want to withdraw. So the amount to withdraw is 3000. So it will showing that withdrawn successful. So now the remaining balance must be 3000. So yeah, the balance is 3000. So this was the first part of the experiment. Now I'll show the second part of the experiment. It is to create a central library system. So we can follow perform the following operations over here. We can follow uh, we can add book, we can delete book, and search book and display book. So the first function is add book. The first function is add book. So I'll simply add a book to now if the add book function is called, I have to enter the book name, I have to enter the author, I have to enter the ID and the publisher, and it is getting stored, and the availability. Now for the display book, I'm showing all the books. So since it is the loop. Now as I'm storing all the books in a loop over here, so it will suppose there are more than one book, then the loop will run over here and it will print all the following. In order to search a book, I'll just enter the ID, then I'm entering the loop where all the books. So I'm entering the ID where all the books are there, and it will simply search based on the book ID. So if the book is found, then it will write book found and it will return the ID, author, publisher, and the availability. Or else it will type the book is not found. Now in order to lend the book, I'm simply doing this operation over here. Thank you for lending. Or else on returning the book, I'll simply enter the book to be returned, and I'm reading the book ID. Then once again, once the book is returned, I'll store it in the loop. If the book is already, and I'll write that the book, or if the book is already being written, I'm still typing the ID, so it will show that book is already written. Now this is the switch case where I'm add, search, lend, display, return, and this is the switch case where I'm calling all the functions that I have created. And if the user enters something else other than this, then I'll show it as an invalid choice. I'll show you the output of this. So first I'll add a book. I'll enter the book name. Now suppose I want to display the book, so you can display the book. I want to search the book. I'll enter 121, so you can see it is writing book found, and it is giving me the details. Suppose I want to lend the book, then once again it will enter the ID, thank you for lending Unix. Now suppose I want to return the book, I'll enter this, so you have returned the book. So once again, if I display, these are the books that I have. So I'll show you one more thing, like if I lend the book and then I check for the display book option, I'm getting these books. So this was the sixth experiment. Thank you for watching it.